Hey everybody, part of my job with these courses is to be able to introduce you to other successful people that have figured out how to beat the system. And so, as you know, part of my motto is to help people become entrepreneur minded. And so I wanted to be able to share the 4-hour work week highlights with you from Tim Ferris. And it just lets you know that there is a way to be able to work smarter, not harder. And so I just wanted to be able to share this with you. All of his information you can find also in the book or on the YouTube video, but these are just the highlights. And I felt that they would be very important to have as a resource in your library to be able to help you as a realtor. I know that this book opened up my eyes and helped me realize that I need to work smarter, not harder. And so these are some of the tips and tricks on how to obtain that. And I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any questions, put them in the Facebook group, and let's go ahead and get started. The 4-Hour Workweek by Tim Ferris. Tim teaches us about 7 tips on how to obtain the 4-hour workweek. 1, be in charge of your response. Choose to be happy, be positive, not negative. This will have you focus less on negativity, which will give you more time and will be able to let you accomplish getting things done. 2, richer is based on relativity. So when people think about how much time they have when they are comparing it to how rich they are, you really need to ask, how many hours is somebody working? How much are their expenses in order to get paid? And how much money do they actually receive per hour? 3, create a product, for example, an e-course, something that you only have to do once, but you can continue selling it online indefinitely. Many people who do this become entrepreneurs. They see the potential of how to grow money and how to make money with using very little time to do it. It takes a lot of time up front to create the course, but in the end, they can sell it online and people can buy stuff even in their sleep while you're sleeping, which will make you money while sleeping. 4, take concepts. Explain them in a fun and educational way. If you can figure out how to explain things that may seem difficult or don't make sense, and you can turn it into a fun and educational way, think about explaining things on a 4th grade level. This is what a lot of politicians do during their campaigning. They explain things on a 4th grade level, they make sure it makes sense, and then they have more people vote for them if it makes sense, if people can agree with their view. 5, make money. Way to make money is through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and having influencers. So of course, this pertains to people who are creating a product and selling it online. So these are the ways that you can go ahead and make money, but this also, keep in mind, you'll need to be able to become educated on these different areas. But again, once you're educated how to do it once, you'll be able to repeat the process. 6, what's the alternative? So it'll take time to learn how to sell online and create your own business. But you'll have to think of what the alternative is. Do you want to keep working 9 to 5 as an employee? Or would you like to work at your own hours, say 4 hours a week, and create a product and have it keep reselling? 7, things don't take as much time as we think they should. So there is the Elimination 80-20 rule, where things should actually take 20% of your time in order to make 80% of your profits. A way to do that is outsourcing or using virtual assistants. And so all of that can be done to where your time will be focused on how to make the money instead of doing the what we call red dot items, which is where you can hire other people that don't focus on, so that you can focus on making the money. So thank you for watching. Follow me on social media, and I'll see you on the next video.